Hey, good morning. Happy Friday. So today, sent your email. It's long. There's a lot of links. I'm not going to read a story today because Mrs. Capers, if you have read a story, I included that in your email. I tried to include a link to the mystery Doug. I hope it works. It's about how hand sanitizer works. It might be interesting to watch. Today's a Phi Ed day, so you have that link in there. And now just a reminder that you will, we do not have a school day on Monday. We are going to be doing some planning with us teachers. There is a pickup of your next packet on Monday. Mrs. Hanson sent an email yesterday. I also included some of that stuff in my email today. I will be at the morning pickup from 8 to 9 if you'd like to see me, and I would love to just see your smiling faces and wave at you through the cards. All right, today I'm going to talk about a game that students already know, but it would be a fun game to play at home, and there's a couple different ways you can play it. All you need really is a piece of paper or a whiteboard for each player. You can play with more than two players, and a deck of cards. So I'm going to show you how to play that really quick. And I had to put tape on mine so you guys can see it. I was going to play it with Emma, but we keep forgetting to play it at in the afternoon to tape it, and she's not getting up at 8 o'clock or whatever to help me tape a game. Sorry, guys. She likes you guys, but not quite that much. So we're going to play Make the Most. And with that, you need your deck of cards, and you're going to take out the tens, the kings, the tens, the jacks, the queens. Leave the aces in because the aces are going to equal 1. Aces are going to be your 1. All right? So then you take your cards and you shuffle them up. Now, you can divide your slate or your mark or your piece of paper into 2 sections. So you just play with tens and ones. You can divide it into 3, which is where we were at school when this was in our math workplace area, which was hundreds, tens, and ones. You can even expand it into 4 places and play in the thousands. This game is going to help you compare numbers. It's going to help you with place number, and it's also going to help reading numbers bigger than 100, sometimes, and even in the thousands if you decide to go there. All right, so then what you do is you decide to go who goes first, and there's a couple different ways. You've talked about that in class. You can draw a card, you can do rock, paper, scissors, whatever it is. All right, I'm just going to go first. Basically, you want your number to be the most, bigger than the people you're playing against. So you take your cards. All right, I'm just going to put them on the table, and you draw the first one. Well, I got an ace. So you got to think about it. If I'm trying to make the most, where would I want to put that on my game board? Most people will know you're going to put that in your ones. Once you put it down and the next person goes, you cannot move it. Be careful. There's some cheaters. They want to move it. They cannot move it. All right? Then the next player goes. They got a 3. Well, no, probably not in the hundreds. We'll put it here in the ones, okay? So then back to the player 1. I'm not doing very good here, am I? I probably, you know what? I see they're all spades. I probably didn't shuffle my cards very well. All right, so I'm going to put that here, okay? So then the next that person's going to go again, the next player. Oh my gosh, they got a 3 also. So right now, if we were only playing with tens and ones, 2-digit numbers, mine says 21, my partner says 33, they would be the winner right now. But we're playing in the hundreds, so there's still hope. There's still hope, right? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go again. I got a 7. Hey, not too bad. So my number is 721. Let's see what my partner. As you know, I do get a little competitive. 6. My partner's number is 633. Because I made the most, then what I do is I get all the cards, right? And we play another round. 8. Ooh, 8. Kind of put it there, and you just keep doing that. You can until you're done. If you get a tie, which doesn't happen very often, but if it does, then you take the 6 cards. If you're playing with 3 places or whatever, you put them in the middle, and then you have a playoff, and then the winner of the next round gets all those cards. And if you really want to make it different, instead of playing make the most, you could play make the least. So this game has a lot of different ways that you can play it. I hope you have some fun this weekend. Maybe you can play a couple hands. I hope you all have a great weekend. Again, I miss you. Keep sending the pictures on the weekends of what you do. Maybe if you play the game. I got some really awesome potato pant pictures yesterday. I included some of them in the email today. Miss you guys. See you soon. Hey, if you can make it to the pickup on Monday from 8 to 9, I'll wave to you. All right? Take care. See you soon.